Hey guys, welcome back to Milk and Sugar Bath Company. This is Lee, and today we are making a super special soap, Hot Buttered Toffee, for the holidays. It's going to be a part of the Ballet Arkansas Nutcracker gift boxes this year, and we are super excited to be working with them this year on this project. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to do a double batch. So I have double my olive oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, and castor oil, all melted down in this container and then cooled to room temperature. So the first thing I'm going to do is sprinkle in some kaolin clay and some coconut milk powder. And then we will go ahead and get this blended in really well so it's incorporated with all the oils. And then I will add in the lye mixture. Okay, we have everything nice and blended at a very light emulsification. So I'm going to split off a little bit of this for our piped topping on the soap. We're doing hot buttered rum, so I am gonna do piping on the top and then add something really cute and special. So let me measure this off and then we'll start splitting up for all our colors. Okay, for the base, what we are going to do is use this copper penny mica from Nurture Soap. Let me just put a good heaping teaspoon of that in. So we're gonna use Sahara Gold, also from Nurture Soap. And I'm gonna put this one in this one that has a bit more soap in it. And then I'm going to do one in Mocha Brown, Nurture Soap. And last but not least, we will do one white. So I want the white to kind of play into the frosting that we're gonna have on top, piped on top. So I wanna do that swirl. So let's start with our white and mix these up, lightest to darkest. I'm not gonna add the fragrance in just yet. Okay, it's time to add in our fragrance, and it smells divine. It is amazing. It is Hot Buttered Rum from Wholesale Supplies Plus. There is no vanillin in this, so it shouldn't turn dark. It does say that it'll go slightly yellow, and that is why I am only putting it in these swirls. I'm not putting it into the frosting. I want the frosting to look very white and cheerful. So I'm just gonna whisk this in. My white is getting a bit thick. That's okay. We're gonna be doing drop swirls with this. We are ready to pour. So let me get my molds and we'll come back and we'll talk all about the boxes. All right, it is time to pour. We're getting a bit thick, but we're still at a good consistency. So we're gonna start with our base and pour a bit of that, a good bit, into each mold. Maybe all of it. Yes, while I'm putting this in here, let me tell you about the boxes. So Ballet, Arkansas has been around for 42 years, and this is the very first time in the history of their ballet that they've had to cancel their Nutcracker Spectacular during the holidays. And obviously it's due to COVID, and they don't want to take unnecessary risk. So in light of that, they are going to be doing Nutcracker gift boxes. Okay, the next color I'm gonna put in, I kind of tried to even those out a little bit. I took a little bit from this and put it over here. Now I'm just gonna kind of plop in some white into both. And we'll see if I use it all in this instance. Yeah, I might go ahead and put it all in. This fragrance oil is definitely speeding up trace, but we are not going to let that get us down because we have a mission to make some awesome soap. Next, we're going to plop in our dark mocha brown. The Ballet this year in Arkansas is partnering with local small businesses to fill these boxes. And they will go on sale on November 1st and be on sale through the whole month of November. And then boxes will be delivered at the beginning of December. Okay, we're getting super, super thick now. So let's keep going. This is a nice, beautiful butterscotchy color. Are any of you guys out there sweating for me right now? Because it's getting so thick. It's starting to heat up too. All right, I've gotten the molds cleaned up, smoothed out, and I have mixed up our piping. It's getting quite hot and thick. So we are going to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna do a base layer all the way across on each soap, and then come back and do tiered layers of the piping. Ballet Arkansas reaches 25,000 Arkansans every year. So that means that 1 out of 15 Arkansans has experienced the beauty of the Ballet Arkansas programming. They do a lot of community shows for children, and it's really a great thing that Milk and Sugar Bath Co., when we were approached this year to participate, we love to support the arts, anybody in the community that's doing great things. So when we got the call, we jumped on board, and we'll be making several different soaps for their boxes this year. They'll have 2 different boxes. They'll have a larger box, and this soap will be going inside of that. And then they will have a smaller box that we have some fun things planned for. So let me get a little more soap frosting, and I'll be right back. We have 2 more steps. So The second to last thing we're going to be doing is putting these dried oranges on top as a little decoration. I purchased these off of Etsy. They came from California and they smell so good. They're gonna be a perfect complement to the Hot Buttered Rum fragrance. So let's go ahead. I think I might start in the middle here. I'm just gonna put it in the side. Okay, now we're on to the last thing, and it is last but certainly not least. I want to add a little sparkle. This is for the holidays, so I'm going to add a bit of gold biodegradable glitter and just sprinkle the tops, orange and all, so we get a little holiday cheer. I love the oranges on top. It's so beautiful. I'm a bit nervous to cut into this soap because of how fast it came to trace. It smells incredible. So we're just gonna do it. We're just gonna go for it. Okay, so we've got some air pockets there. This is the in bar. So let's see if it gets a little better towards the middle. Okay. I think this is cute. I love the orange topper. And if it doesn't discolor any more than what we have right now, we should be in good shape. Oh, that's cute. I like this. Very rustic. Couple air pockets in there, but that's okay. This is going to be a one-of-a-kind holiday soap. Ooh, look at this one. That one's super cute. And I misspoke earlier in the video. These are not going to be going on sale. These boxes for the Ballet Arkansas, they will be going on sale mid-November. So keep an eye out. And I'll be posting this video around that time. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. This is going to be a fun one. I love it.